Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to turn on YouTube notifications on iPhone. Let's go. By enabling notifications, you can stay updated with the latest videos from your favorite channels and be notified whenever they upload new content. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap Notifications. After that, scroll down to the bottom and find the YouTube mobile app. Tap on it. Then toggle on the switch next to allow notifications. Also make sure everything is enabled, such as time-sensitive notifications, lock screen alerts, notification center, alerts, banners, sounds, and badges. Once you've done that, exit the Settings app and open up the YouTube mobile app. Then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now tap Notification. What you want to do next is check if all the notification options are enabled. If you find any option that is not turned on, simply tap on the switch next to it to enable it. This way you will ensure that you receive all the important notifications from YouTube on your iPhone. By following these simple steps, you can stay updated with all the latest videos and activities on YouTube, right from your iPhone. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.